Okay, free kick. An outswinger. Ball in. Oh, it's foot. No, cleared. Cleared. Leeds with it again. Can they find something? Tanaka, ball in. To the back post. Good touch. Ball in. Good block by Bowen. Tanaka again. Leeds with a bit of a spell here with the ball. Okafor shielding the ball nicely. Tanaka again. Trying to get something through on this left-hand side. Okafor's got him one-on-one now. Does he get past? It looks like he does. He's won the corner. Fair play. Leeds stepping it up. Leeds stepping it up. No, I'm not back in the UK. I'm still in Dubai. Still in Dubai, mate. Will I take Nuno at Chelsea now? Outside of Pep, I'll take Unai Emery. I don't think anyone else is actually qualified. I mean, I'm not qualified. I don't think anyone else is of the level to normally take a club like Chelsea. Leeds have a man down in the box. I think there's been a head collision between Potts and... Oh, no, it's the goalkeeper. It's the goalkeeper. Taking out Struik, but he looks like he's all right. But yeah, I wouldn't take Nuno. I wouldn't take. We've not really seen much from Disassi yet, have we? I mean, he's there, but he's had one clearance that I remember. That's it. I don't know if he's touched the ball, except from that in 24 minutes. Oh, nice recovery from Leeds here. Here's Tanaka. Ball through. Yes, turn. Nice. Here come Leeds. Oh, that's a poor... No, that's a poor ball. That's a poor ball, mate. What are you trying to do? Justin looking in, looks like he wanted to try and cross the ball, but it looked like he hesitated between taking a shot and crossing the ball into the middle. And he kind of did the in-between, and it went at no one. Out for a goal kick. He's bottled that. Yeah, Castellano's been taking some kicking advice from Maguire. Even Fabregas, right now, no. No. Keep Fabregas where he is. Realistically, look, this is what Chelsea should be going for. Chelsea should be going after someone that's actually achieved silverware. That's it. Fabregas is on the way to that. Let him get there, and once he's done that, we'll know he's ready. Like, that's how we used to operate. Do you know what I mean? Worst thing is, we get someone like Fabregas, and he pulls off just a complete failure. Like, it just fizzles apart. Ball in, Tanaka! Is this it? Oh, what a... Oh, what a goal! What a goal! 1-0 Leeds. Oh, Tanaka, have a day off. That was a beautiful finish. Oh, the turn back in and then back out. Oh, man. Oh, man. 1-0 Leeds. That's a quality goal. Here's the goal again. Nice little build up here. Tanaka in the middle. Nice 180. Shifts it over to the right, to the left-hand side. Justin with the ball. Tanaka running in. Nice little overlap. Tanaka receives it. Oh, mate. Mate, those defenders got sent. Got absolutely sent. Tanaka, he dummied it, basically. Looked like he was going to shoot. Cuts back onto his left foot. And Disassi with a poor attempt of a block. Hits the crossbar and goes in across the line. Beautiful. 1-0 Leeds. Good goal. Not a good start for West Ham then. Even though they've been very much in this game, but it's initially as I thought yesterday, my gut was telling me, as I said, this is what I kind of expected. So Leeds have taken the advantage, although the game's actually been pretty tight. And they've given it away again, West Ham. Here come Leeds. They've gone all the way back. Why? Should have exploited the space. There we are. Turn. There we are. There we are, Tanaka. Boom. That's it. Oh, it's poor ball. Poor pass. What's that? And Youth with an arm to the face. Beautiful. Good defending. Unreal. Here's Disassi. Yeah, 1-0 Leeds. I did see Southampton bantering Arsenal. Yes. I mean, that was phenomenal. Someone tried to say something to Southampton and they came back with enjoy your quadruple. Japanese ballers in the Prem are good. Yep. Tanaka, Mitoma. He scored against England. Typical. Good tackle. Tanaka. That's not a foul. No. Referee, have a day off. Referee, have a day off. I'm sorry. Yes, it was strong, but that was a quality tackle. Here's a replay. That's a great challenge. Have a day off. He took the ball. Have a day off. That was a beautiful tackle. How is that a foul? How do we live in a time where that is now considered a foul? Okay, now I'm going to sound like an unk. Back in my day, yeah, you would have been criticised that you didn't go in harder. Yeah? Oh, you took the ball, good, but it was soft. You know? Get into him. That's what we would have been told. Now, he actually gets in for a tackle, takes the ball, it looks strong. Oh, it's a free kick. Have a day off. Game's gone. Game's gone, lads. Tanaka with the defending now. So far, man of the match. Easily. He's playing well. And they're giving him too much space.